Hello student, today we are going to learn the different types of bank accounts. In the bank there are different types of accounts. For example, saving account, current account, fixed deposit account and recurring deposit account. Thereafter there are two liabilities in the bank. First is demand liability and second is time liability. Under the demand liability there are two types and under the time liability there are two types. Bank divided the accounts in that two parts. First is demand liability and second is time liability. Under the demand liability there are two accounts. First is saving account and current account. Second is in the second liability there are two accounts involved in the time liability. First is fixed deposit account and second is recurring deposit account. Now the saving account and current account, these are the very popular two accounts which are normally used in the banks by every person. Saving account can open by every person. For example, poor persons, middlemen, salary persons and etc. More and after that current account can normally only by those persons who are in business. Those persons who are in business. Current account is a very important account regarding to the businessman. Current account is also called running account and saving account is also called which is important in the views of middleman, poor person and etc. In the saving account, any person can open the saving account. Every person. In the Indian economic, saving account and current account, these are the very two important accounts regarding our banks and economy. In saving account, bank provide different type of services. For example, bank give the checkbook facility, bank give the ATM card facility, bank give the SMS facility, and in also current account, bankers also give the different type of facilities. For example, in current account, bankers give checkbook facility, ATM facility, and there are also two types of ATMs. First is a debit card and second is credit card. Normally, in the both these accounts, saving and current accounts, bankers issue the debit card and credit card to the first class customers of the bank. First class customers means which are customers? Those customers who have a very good transaction in their accounts. For example, suppose current account holder have a different type of transactions. In saving account, bankers also give the ATM card facility to the saving account holders. ATM card facility means which facility? Those persons who are very busy, they cannot come to the bank and cannot withdraw the amount from their accounts. So bankers give ATM card to that person. Any person can withdraw the money from any accounts, any type of ATM which are available in the countries or which are available in the cities. Then current account is also very important account regarding our businessmen. Businessmen means those who are small shops, those who are big companies, they can open the current account. Now we have to see the first is saving and then after we have to see the fixed deposit account. In the fixed deposit account, there is it is come under the time liability. Fixed deposit account is come under the time liability. Time liability means what? Time liability means it is come under the fixed deposit. Fixed deposit means there are different types of fixed deposit. For example, we can see the dam dupat. Then after reinvestment. Reinvestment means punarguntan. It is translated into Marathi punarguntan. Fixed deposit is translated into Marathi. It is called mudat thev khate. It is called mudat thev khate. Fixed deposit is also converted into the fixed deposit is called mudat thev khate. Then after there is another account come under the time liability. It is called recurring deposit account. Recurring deposit also translate in the Marathi. It is called avarti thev khate. It is called avarti thev khate. Normally recurring deposit used by our Indian women, which is very important because this is a small investment regarding the women. Women can open this account in the bank and they can deposit monthly amount. For example, one multiple in the 100 to more, 100 than more than. Any woman can open the recurring deposit account because this is account a very small account. So every woman can open the recurring deposit account. Now we have to see the saving account. Saving account is also, it is one example of demand liability. Saving account is one example of demand liability. In definition of the bank, we have to see that bankers can accept the deposits and repayable on their demand. It means that bankers can accept the deposit of the people and it is refundable. It is refundable on the demand of the people. So bankers is not owner of the people's money. When any bankers or when any customer deposit their amount in the bank, it means that bank is not owner of that money. So bankers have to refundable. Bankers has to refund their demand, their amount when they demand it. Then after saving account, in the saving account bankers can provide some interest. Bankers provide some interest to the saving deposit account holder. The interest is from 3% to near about 6%. In the saving account, bankers also provide some facilities to their saving account holders. For example, before I told ATM card facility, checkbook facility and SMS facility and online or net banking. Bankers also, the object is that to open the saving account is that to increase the saving of the people. To increase the saving of the people. So saving account is very important to our middleman person and poor persons. Then we have to see the current account. Current account means it is also called running account. In the current account, bank provide different type of services to their customers. I have already told that. For example, ATM card, checkbook facility and etc. Current account can open by any person. Bankers never give interest. Bankers never give interest to the current account holders because there are no any restrictions to withdraw the money from that current account and to deposit the money from that saving account. So current account is very important. A current account is so very important to our businessmen, shopkeepers, those persons who have a short business. So they can open the current account in the bank. Current account is also, so bankers provide current account to their businessmen. Current account. Then after we have to see the fixed deposit account. Fixed deposit account means any person can deposit the amount in the fixed deposit account. For example, there are different types of accounts. Recurring deposit, reinvestment account, Dam Dupat scheme. Bank adopted the different type of schemes under the fixed deposit accounts, which is reinvestment, Dam Dupat, etc. In the reinvestment, bankers give interest on the which is amount deposited by the customers. The amount which is deposited by the customers. Then after we have to see the recurring deposit account. In the recurring deposit account, bankers also give the interest. Bankers also give interest to the recurring deposit account holders. Customers has to deposit in the multiple of 100, from 100 to more than. Any person can deposit the amount in that recurring deposit account. Then bankers give interest to the recurring deposit account holders. Now we have to see the different definition of the bank. Under the definition of the bank, as per Banking Regulation Act 1949, bankers accept the deposits of the customers and repayable on their demand. It is the main definition. In the banks, there are two very important functions. First is primary functions and second is secondary function. Under the primary functions, bankers accept the deposit of the customers, then after granted the loans and advances, and third is the very important function, it is called credit creation. It is called credit creation. Credit creation, it is converted into Marathi is that Pat Niyantran. Then in secondary function there are also different types of functions. That is remittance of money, to transfer the money from one account to another account. It is called remittance of money. In primary function there are, first is to accept the deposit. It means that every person can open the account in the bank and customer can deposit the amount in that particular account. For example, saving account, current account, fixed deposit account and recurring deposit account. Customer deposited their money in the bank. It means that bankers can use the money. Bankers can use the money of that customers and use it. And under the, when customer deposit their money, bankers has to maintain the credit ratio. Bankers has to maintain credit ratio. So all these accounts are very important in the bank and every person can open these accounts. So these accounts are very important. Okay, thank you.